Introduction. Saloni loves Diwali. On the day of Diwali, she wears new clothes, visits her cousins, and exchanges sweets. In the evening, she makes rangoli, light candles, and bursts crackers. In this lesson, you will learn about festivals. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define celebration, list festivals celebrated in India, celebrations. When we are happy, we celebrate. Celebration means enjoyment with friends and relatives. It includes music, dance, crackers, special food, and a lot of fun. Diversity in India. India is a vast country. People of different religions live here in harmony. They celebrate different festivals together. Self-assessment. It is time to check your knowledge. Click the pictures that show celebrations. Festivals. In India, we celebrate festivals throughout the year. Festivals unite people and spread happiness. People pray, wear new clothes, meet friends and relatives, and distribute sweets on festivals. Different festivals. In India, every year we celebrate a number of festivals like Republic Day, Holi, Raksha Bandhan, Independence Day, Dussehra, Gandhi Jayanti, Diwali, Eid, Guru Purab, Christmas, Lohri, Onam, and many more. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Celebration means fun and enjoyment. Festivals bring joy and happiness. Some festivals celebrated in India are Holi, Independence Day, Dussehra, Diwali, Eid, and Christmas.